How's you going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's workshop. Well, we're still in the lake room because I haven't been able to get out to the workshop for a while. But anyhow, I hope to get back there soon. I made this video quite a while ago, and when I started to edit it the other day, I discovered that I lost some of the footage. So I lost the intro to it and then the ending for it. So I'm going to try to bring you up to speed, and then we'll get right back into the video. What I was doing was I was trying to make some storage boxes to put on the shelves I have in the workshop. So we start the video. I've already cut the base, and we're going to go from there. So sorry about that, but you know, stuff like that happens, I guess. Let's go have a look and see how I make these little storage boxes for the storage shelves in my workshop. So I'm going to try and make the sides and the ends out of masonite. I have some masonite here. I got these for drawer bottoms one time. So this box I'm making is more or less a trial. So I'm going to make it on masonite, see how it turns out. And I'm going to cut these. Alexa, start vac.
Okay.
These are 18 inches long. We need them to be 10 inches high now. I'm cutting these two at a time, just to try to make them as close to being the same as I can. Okay, so that'll be the two sides. Now I need a front and a back, and the front and the back are 10 by 12. So what I end up with now is this aspenite for the base and the masonite for the front and the back. Right? Something like that. Okay, so now what I want to do is I'm going to have to trim these up a little bit because the way I'm going to put the sides together, but I want to make some little 1x1 nailer strips to go around the edges and the corners. So I'm going to set this aside for now. So I found a piece of 3/4 inch stock just to try it here. I'm thinking I'm going to make them 3/4 inch square. So I need two pieces to go the length here. I need a piece here and a piece here. So they're 18 inches, so that's 36. And 24, that's 40, that's 60 inches, right? And then 1, 2, 3, 4 10-inch ones, that's another 40 inches. So I'm going to need 100 inches of material. So I look here at this piece of 3/4 inch stock that I got, and if I measure that, it's 41 inches long, and I think I can cut this in threes. So I should be able to get 3 3/4 inch strips out of this. And at 41 inches long, that'll give me 120 inches of stock. Hopefully that'll be enough. Okay, so there's my three pieces. So I'm going to start to cut these to length and start assembling the box. Put that in here. I need to put a piece down here and here, so those pieces are going to be 16 inches long. 16, so I need two pieces 16 inches long. So that one will go there, and that one will go there. So we'll put those in place. And then we'll put this one on this side. Alright, so that's the bottom of our box. So we're going to put the fronts on first, or the ends, I guess you call them. Just like that, I guess. Put this one on this side. So now we'll just put these on here. Put this fella on here. That's basically what our box looks like, but what I want to do is, on the inside of it here, I want to put corners in it, right? Okay, so here's my pieces. Just to be going in the corner. I think it would be better if I were to clamp them. Hard to see here what I'm doing, but I have that placed in the corner, so we'll just put some brand in it now. Okay, then we'll turn around and do this side. So basically that's what it's going to look like. So I'm going to put these four corners in, and then we'll be back. So here's the basic box. I don't know whether the masonite sides are going to do the trick or not. I just made this box quick just because I wanted to see how it was going to work. I also added a couple of sliders on the bottom so that it'll slide in good on the shelf. So let's go try it on the shelf and see what it looks like. Okay, we're going to set the box up here. So yeah, not bad, eh? A little wobbly here, just not quite square. But I think that's going to be good because, like, you can push it to the back, and I don't have a lot of wasted space behind the box, so that's good. And I could put another one here, another one here. Okay, I made a little handle there to match the handles that's on the vertical cabinets. Because when the box is up here, it was hard to get it back down unless you get your fingers on the end of it, but now I can just grab it by the handle. So yeah, I think that's going to be decent. I just hope that the masonite is strong enough, but if it's not strong enough, then I guess I'll have to make them out of something else. I don't know. So there's the box with just masonite sides. I'm not sure how well the masonite's going to stand up, but I just sort of made these boxes as a prototype to see if they were going to work up there in that shelf. And I wanted to have some place to get the stuff that's piled on the bench on the woodshop side, get that bench cleared off so I can start doing a little bit more work out there. So now I can put it in that box. I think I'm going to make another one too, maybe even a third one, but we'll see how that goes. I got lots of that masonite, so I can use that for the shelves. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think. Do you think that box is going to be beefy enough to hold all the stuff I plan on putting up there in that shelf or not? I have no idea. Thumbs up me too, eh? Don't forget to thumbs up me. Don't forget to leave me some comments, like I say. I hope you're having a great week wherever you are. We're getting some heavy rain here at the lake today. We just had a massive downpour with some thunder and lightning, but I think it's all over with now. So take care. Have a great week. We'll talk to you soon.